Oh, hello. Hello's the life.
The life babbler.
Sup, guys, this is a lit torque wrench that's Evans X-Tools Pro. Don't even know how much it costs. How much should it cost, Even?
About 50 quid.
Exactly, a 50 quid legitness X-Tools Pro torque wrench with all these bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lit tools. T25, H6, H5, H4, H3, H2.5, H2. Bet you guys wish you could have this. The torque range goes from 3 to 15 Newton meters. How do you guys feel about that? That is a pretty good stat there, isn't it? Don't even know how it actually works. Just get this one out, lock it on.